Hello everyone, this is the Average Guy 1983. This is video number 2 about the Diode Dynamics XP50 LED bulbs. These are the backup lights. They're 425 lumen or 450 lumen, and I believe is for each light. So we're getting about 900 if I'm correct. If I'm incorrect, please forgive my lack of knowledge. I've been trying to contact Diode Dynamics to get this answered, and they've still yet to reply to me yet, so I don't know what's going on with that. But I can probably update that information under the description, just so you guys can know, and see if it's worth the $100 that I actually paid for this thing. It was really $99 and like 70 something cents, but you know, I rounded it up to the nearest dollar, which came out to about $100. So we're gonna go ahead and step into the car. Right now, as you can see, only the lights are on because I just turned on unlocked the car. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this car real quick, which I plan on changing everything to LED lights, including the interior lighting. I'm just trying to figure everything out here on how to get it going. But as of right now, let me go ahead. Hold on real quick. There we go, it turned off. And I want to get these LEDs changed out, including the ones that are in the back. You see how you can't even see anything back there? You could only see like the reflection of the lights. That's the bad thing about having a 5% window tint, especially over the smoked out glass that was already there. This here is 50% from the inside, and then here's the dash, which is, the windshield, which doesn't have any tint at all. But you can tell the difference just a little bit. But anyways, let's get back there real quick. I'm going to go ahead and put the car in reverse so you can see me doing this. The car is off, engine wise, but I'm going to go ahead and turn on, and I could already tell from here that the light is hella bright outside. So let's go ahead and check it out. Oh shit. Yes, I know the key's not in the car. Wow. This is really bright. Holy shit, I am actually impressed. I thought it was gonna suck, but no, they're extremely bright. They're almost as bright as standard LED fog lights if you actually want to compare them to that. Let's see, here's what it looks like. And this is what it looks like here with my Park Avenue park there. So it gives about a good 20 feet of range of LED lighting. So hell yeah, man. Wow. These things are definitely worth the $100. Look at that. That is incredible, man. It's so bright that my phone is even having a hard time trying to adjust its lighting. It's even like overpowering the regular brake lights. That's insane. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the nighttime view. It's about 8:45 p.m. already, and it's dark already, so now you guys can see how it looks. But man, this is impressive. I am really impressed. Can't wait to replace everything else. So yeah, keep an eye on this videos of this car, because I am going to be making changes. Any changes that I make, I will put down on my YouTube channel. I'll give you guys the part number, the bulb size, anything that I change when it comes to LED lights, what I paid for it, etc., and have it on the channel under the thumbnail for the Ford Flex. And stay tuned for the audio system that I have. I do have the stealth box. I mentioned this before. I have a JL Audio stealth box with a 10W3 V3 that I'm going to be changing to a 10W6 V3 so that I can use either an HD 750/1 and my HD 600/4, and possibly put some three-way components in the front. I bought some replacement A-pillars so I can mess with those and not use the ones that are already installed. And I'm going to be able to see how much debt I have based on the installation, and see if I can actually fit the 4-inch driver and the tweeter, or if I'm going to have to go with just like the standard 5x7 JLC5s and like an HD 600/4. So other than that, that's about it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you guys like what you see. This is hella bright. I would highly recommend the XP50s for the Ford Flex if you have one. It is definitely a good investment, and as you can see, what you see here on my phone is exactly what I'm seeing. It is hella bright. It gives you about a good 20 feet of range, and it's really bright. So I'm very happy with it. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.